Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to add an extra field to your products page in WooCommerce. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you have not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is a home page where in the upper right corner you want to get started with logging into your account. So go ahead and log in if you haven't already, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page where in the left side screen you can go ahead and take a look at all the sections such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. And what we're looking for guys is right here the WooCommerce section. This is going to enable us to manage our store. So if you do not already have a store, you can start it from here. If you already have your store, you can manage it from here and all the products and info that you have. But guys, what we're going to need as well is the plugin section. So by opening up the plugin section, is going to open up this plugins marketplace where you can find all the plugins you can use for your WooCommerce store. And what we want to do is find the search bar right here at the top of the screen. In the search bar, you want to search for extra field. By searching for extra field, this is going to give us a result of the plugins we can use. And as you can see guys, one of them is called product bundles, and this is going to enable us to offer personalized product bundles for our WooCommerce store. And using this product bundle section right here, we can go ahead and manage all of our WooCommerce products, add as much extra fields as we wish using this button. So just install it guys from here. Clicking the install button is going to add the plugin to your WooCommerce store where I have just showed you, and using the plugin you have set up, you can get started with adding extra fields to your products, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.